Imagine a digital tower that keeps your most precious information safe from cunning hackers and online threats. In this video, we're going to unlock the secrets of protecting yourself online using super simple terms. Whether you're a tech newbie or just looking to boost your knowledge, you'll find tips and tricks that are easy to understand and fun to learn. Let's jump in and become cyber smart together. What is cybersecurity? Let's start with the basics. What exactly is cybersecurity? Simply put, it refers to the protection of electronic devices and systems from malicious attacks or unauthorized access. This can include computers, networks, databases, mobile devices, and more. With the increasing dependence on technology in our daily lives, cybersecurity has become an essential aspect of protecting our personal information and keeping ourselves safe online. Importance of cybersecurity. In today's digital age, the threat of cyber attacks and online crimes is constantly looming. Without proper cybersecurity measures in place, individuals and organizations can become vulnerable to these threats, resulting in financial losses, identity theft, and other serious consequences. Additionally, a violation of cybersecurity can also lead to sensitive information being exposed or stolen, compromising the privacy of individuals and companies alike. Therefore, staying vigilant about cybersecurity is crucial for protecting ourselves and our digital assets. Common cybersecurity threats. Now that we understand the basics of cybersecurity, let's delve into common digital threats. Malware, malicious software like viruses and spyware. Phishing, tricking individuals into revealing sensitive information. Ransomware, encrypting files and demanding payment. And password breaches, weak or reused passwords leading to identity theft and financial fraud. How can you protect yourself? Now that we know about some of the common threats, let's discuss how you can protect yourself from them. Use strong passwords. Avoid using easily guessable passwords, and consider using a password manager for added security. Update regularly. Keep your devices, software, and apps up to date with the latest security patches to prevent vulnerabilities. Be cautious online. Don't click on suspicious links or open emails from unknown sources. When in doubt, verify the source before taking any action. Back up your data. Regularly back up. Thank you for watching this episode on TTR Technology. We hope you found it informative and inspiring. To stay updated with the latest in tech, subscribe to our channel and ring that notification bell.